Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to feature the McQueens YouTube channel. We're going to check out the YouTube estimated revenue. So as you can see, the McQueens have 648 video upload on their YouTube channel with a subscribers of 556,000, total video views of 78,711,492, and as you can see, there's a 4 badge in there, and badge of authority, badge of viewership. So the channel is located here in Philippines, and the channel type is people. User created January 11, 2014, so more than 5 years. And as you can see, total grade is letter B+, and the social blade rank is 15,535, subscriber rank is 44,658, video views rank is 68,031, and country rank is 378, people rank is 5,714. So makikita nyo dyan is yung subscriber niya for the last 30 days. For the last 30 days is 20,000 subscribers. So mababa siya ng 56.5% compared dun sa last month. So mas mataas yung monthly subscriber or the last 30 days nung kanyang subscribers. So makikita nyo dyan yung estimated monthly earnings ni TheMcQueenS. Meron siyang $1,100 to $17,100. And of course, yung kanyang video views for the last 30 days is 4.2 million something. So medyo mababa yung kanyang video views. So dun sa mga nagtatanong is yung CPM kasi is stands for cost per thousand, also called cost per mil. Ayan, it's a marketing term used to denote the price of 1,000 advertisement impression on the one web page. So yun yung tinatawag na CPM. Ayun, yung CPM kasi is doon sa mga place or doon sa mga country na mayroong matataas like Australia, Canada, and USA, and also doon sa Bangladesh and Pakistan. Yun yung may mga matataas na CPM and top 20. So yun, nasabi ko lang kasi someone is asking what is CPM stands for. So ayun, meron siyang $1,100. So i-compute natin tong monthly earning or estimated monthly earning ni TheMcQueenS. So meron siyang $1,100 sa kanyang YouTube channel. So we're going to times it into 48. So that is the exchange rate here in Philippines right now. So meron siyang 52,800 yung $1,100. So i-check natin yung kanyang $17,100 times 48, so meron siyang 820,800. So not bad, malaki na din yung kanyang estimated revenue. And yung total subscriber niya weekly is yung pinakang last part niya ng graph is medyo mataas, and estimated yearly earnings of 12,800. So i-compute din natin to para alam natin yung estimated revenue ni TheMcQueenS. So meron siyang $12,800 sa kanyang YouTube channel as estimated here in Social Blade. So we're going to times it into 48 again. So meron siyang 614,400. So not bad. So yung kanyang $204,700, we're going to times it into 48 again. So they got 9,825,600. It's a huge amount of money, guys. And let's go jump to their statistics. So makikita nyo yung estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, and date uploaded video on their YouTube channel. So may mga uploaded video sila na wala silang nagain na subscribers, pero may na makikita nyo dyan yung plus 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Yun yung mga subscriber na nagain nila for every video upload their YouTube channels. And of course, yung kanyang video views. So makikita din yung mga details dyan, yung mga digits. And of course, yung estimated earning in every video upload on their YouTube channel. So malaki din yung mga estimated na revenue nila. So marami yung nanonood sa kanila na iba't ibang lugar. So marami yung followers, and of course marami silang mga viewers na galing sa ibang bansa, especially sa matataas na may CPM. So yun yung estimated use of revenue ng TheMcQueenS. So sinuggest lang to sa akin ng isang nag-comment sa aking YouTube channel, and of course yung mga previous ko. So may mga suggestions sila na pinipicture ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. So yung mga estimated revenue nila is malalaki rin, from $37 to hundreds of dollars. So siguro kung i-divide natin yung sa kalahati. So majority kasi nung kanilang viewers is naandito sa Pilipinas. So since yung kanilang YouTube channel is currently in Philippines, so ang majority viewers nila is Filipino. So let's go for the daily average. So meron silang daily average na 667 subscribers with a total video views of 142,166, and estimated earnings is $36 to $569. So that is only for daily, and the weekly average is 4,066 subscribers with a total video views of 995,162. So that is close to 1 million views with an estimated revenue of 249,000 to 4,000 US dollars. So malaki na rin to yung weekly nila, but mas malaki pa yung last 30 days. So check natin yung kanilang last 30 days na estimated revenue. So meron silang nakuha na 20,000 subscribers with a total video views of 4,264,975, and estimated revenue of TheMcQueenS is $1,100 US dollars to $17,100 US dollars. So na-compute na natin yung estimated monthly earnings ni TheMcQueenS, and na-find out natin na malaki yung kanyang earning, but it doesn't mean na yung mga digits na yan is yun talaga yung nakuha nila. No one knows. So ito lang ang Social Blade ay nagbibigay ng reference or idea kung magkano talaga yung estimated revenue, but no one knows kung magkano talaga yung nakukuha nila or yung kanilang earnings dito sa kanilang YouTube channel. So thank you very much for the Social Blade. So ayun yung kanilang estimated revenue. So meron diyang live na nakikita nyo, yung red na live. So nag-update yan every, I don't know, I guess parang every minute yata, pero live yan. So every minute yan nag-update yung kanilang views. So makakita nyo yung kanilang monthly gain video views. Yung graph niya is nag-up and down, pero nag-i-stable siya nung mga nakaraang taon ng parang straight line lang, pero it went up and down. Pero may nag-down siyang yung January 2020. Siguro to, binawi yung earnings nito kasi super down eh. So yung kanilang November na video views is 8,956,000 something. So yung nagkaroon yan, yung nakikita niyo yan, January, November 2019, 41,832,784. Siguro parang binawi yan kasi may nakikita ako ng malalaking vlogger na nagbayad sila ng 100,000. Parang si Laser Beam yata yung na-feature ko nung nakaraang video ko. So yung nagbayad siya ng 100,000 US dollars. Anyway, so punta tayo dun sa kanilang monthly gain subscriber for TheMcQueenS. So yung kanilang November 2020 is meron siyang 54,000 na nakuha sa kanilang YouTube channel or na-gain nila na subscribers. So malaking na yan, subscriber na rin. So up and down pa rin yung kanilang graph, or yung dot na yan is represent the numbers of subscriber they gain in their YouTube channel. So I made this video to inspire others and para magkaroon din kayo ng idea kung magkano talaga ang kinikita ng mga vlogger or ng mga YouTuber sa kanilang YouTube channel. So dito kasi is tiyagaan, and kung maganda ang content mo, patok talaga yan sa mga viewers and malaki ang iyong kikitain. And dun sa mga nagtatanong, so yung CPM kasi is nabanggit ko kanina is cost per mil or a thousands of impression. So ayun yung CPM na sinasabi ko, na kung saan yung mga bansa na matataas ang cost per mil. And mas maganda siguro kung marami ang nanonood sa atin na nasa US or dun sa mga bansa na matataas ang CPM. So that's for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ikim Rosales, and thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.